Chikkudukaya fry. Chikkudukaya is also known as lima beans or Indian broad beans. These are a very good source of cholesterol-lowering fiber like most other legumes. I learned this delicious recipe from my mom and it doesn't take much time to cook. It's liked by all age groups. It's one of my kids' favorite too. The stir fry is quick to prepare and goes good with rice, sambhar or roti and works as a filling for sandwiches too. There are different varieties of Chikkudukaya and the seeds come in all sizes. You can use any variety for this recipe or mix them all. To prepare Chikkudukaya, wash, string the beans and split each bean into 2 or 3 pieces. Alternatively, you can boil 2 cups of water in a pot and add the beans with salt and cook with lid until tender. I am not doing that step here, it's totally optional. Next, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a vessel. Add 2 teaspoons of each of urad dal, cumin seeds, mustard seeds, red chilies, few garlic pods, curry leaves and let them splutter. Add the boiled beans, add some salt, turmeric powder, some red chili powder and cook for 10 to 15 minutes on a medium heat. Here I have a tip for you. In US and Indian stores, you will find Valilva papri packets in the frozen section. You can get a packet and you can wash the beans, drain them, saute them in the oil with little salt and turmeric and add these extra seeds to the Chikkudukaya fry to make it extra tasty. Finally, add some coriander powder and mix well. And that's it. Our Chikkudukaya fry is ready. It's super delicious. You can serve it with hot rice and ghee or sambhar and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. I'll see you next time in my next video. Until then, bye.